Speaking of purchasing that next iPhone, apparently 40% of Americans plan to reduce cell phone costs, citing the coronavirus. Okay, so it's a little sensitive out there. Let me give you some figures here. 80% of Americans say they want to spend less on their next phone, according to a national representative survey conducted by Wallet Hub. 36% say they are already looking to reduce the cost of their current one. I suppose this refers to their mobile plan as well. Let me keep going. The unemployment rate is 7.9% in the U.S. Total credit card debt, nearly $1 trillion. So this is the type of stuff we're talking about with the smartphone pricing and cost sensitivity, the value play that many manufacturers are taking, going with lower starting prices. 63 million Americans have filed for government unemployment insurance since the lockdown began mid-March. 63 million Americans. You got like 350. That's a lot. That's a high percentage.
Yeah.
Going for the unemployment. So a lot of people are still not working, and you're asking them to spend $1,000 on a phone. It's a tough proposition at the moment. Of course, Apple always has a way, don't they? Magnets will overcome unemployment.
Yes.
No, but you know what will?
What?
Have you ever seen them pushing payment plans as hard as they are right now? They got payment plans on the accessories. The wallet we were just talking about?
You can finance it?
Yeah, 70 cents a month. I don't know if that's actually it, but I'm telling you right now, you can finance everything on Apple's site. They're like, we have a response to your debt, more debt. $4.91 a month.
Canadian. Is it? Yeah, I think this is.
I think you're on the US.
This is US? Oh, okay.
I think you're on the US site right now. Like for the 59, go to a cheaper case because there's cheaper ones than 59. Go to, there aren't cheap ones. Go to the MagSafe charger. It's 39. That's $3.25 a month. Man, I never thought I would see Apple doing that. It's kind of crazy. But they're also trying to sell you the Apple card at the same moment.
Right.
Which is right underneath there where it's telling you to buy it. Can you finance the $49 Beats Flex headphones? You can. $8. They'll finance everything right now. So this, I believe, this is gonna act as a, what would you say, a kind of coercive element to people who are a little cash strapped at the moment.
Yes.
They could just say, well, look at that, honey. It's only $3 a month.
Yeah.
And she's like, yeah, you know what? Get yourself a MagSafe charger.
That's so cheap.
So I guess that's how they're going to work their way around that. And the other cool part of this survey, even though 40% of Americans are planning to reduce their phone costs, 1 in 3 people still plan to buy the new iPhone this year.
Oh boy.
So some people really want to cut back. Others are like, nah, I'm so depressed with this lockdown. I need a new iPhone. Leave me alone. I need a new blue iPhone. It's very important for my sanity and a wallet that snaps to the back. So